Are you ready to release yourself from the restrictions this horrid economy has placed on you? Are you ready to finally experience life to the fullest and leave your dead-end, mind-numbing, go-nowhere fast job once and for all? Can you picture yourself only working when you want? And best of all, only if you want. If so, then you are where you need to be today. And we will show you how you can be financially free and stress-free for the rest of your life. Our program can take you where you never imagined you could go on the road to financial freedom. Best of all, you can start today and change your life and the lives of your family members for the better right now. But you must act now, or the opportunity we're presenting to you will be lost. Greatness only comes if you take action. Join now and find out what your life could be like without financial worry or stress about your future.